Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn that how the HOTS application-based case studies are to be solved in the examination. How to deal with these kind of questions. We are just doing the chapter that is social responsibility of business and business ethics. Let's see how the understanding based question will be there. I'm reading the first question given over here, carry 4 marks. Business has to safeguard not only the interest of the parties, but the interest of the several other parties. In other parties are included employee, consumer, suppliers, competitor, rivals, government, community, and the world. Today, only that business is regarded as a good, which along with the interest of honor takes care of interest of all these parties. Which concept of the business has been talked about in this statement? Identify the concept and state the meaning. So, you usually, what you do? You do and read the question in this manner always till the 11th class. You are doing so. But I am telling you, change your phenomena by doing the any type of force application understanding based questions. What to do? I started reading from business. It is absolutely wrong. Don't read the question from the beginning. Whenever this type of question is given in the examination, please start reading from the end. The line is highlighted here. Which concept of business has been talked about in this statement? Identify the concept and state its meaning. So you have to read the statement always from the last line of the question. That what is to be identified. If it is any HOTS, if it is any application based question, understanding based question is there, case study is there. In these type of question, the question is not to be read from the beginning, whether it is to be read from the last line. So how to read? Whatever approach I have taken first, it is absolutely wrong for these type of question. How you have to start this type of question? Start with the last line. Which concept of the business has been talked about in this statement? It means we have to identify the concept in this. Identify that concept and state its meaning. Now see, what is story is given over here. A business has to safeguard not only the interest of, because when we read this para or whatever the text is given to us, it always in our mind that concept is to be identified and a principle is to be identified. What is to be identified in that case? We just come to know by learning the last or the second last line in the chapter question always. So in this question, we have to identify the concept. So business has to safeguard not only the interest of the parties, but the interest of the several other parties also. In other parties are included the employees, consumers, suppliers, competitor, rival, government, community, and the world. And today only the business is regarded as good, which along with the interest of the owner takes care of the interest of all these parties also. So by reading this text, we can identify that the author is talking about or examiner is talking about the social responsibility, as he is talking about all the other parties attached which are the part of the society to the business. So it is related to the social responsibility of business. Now after that we have to give the meaning of the social responsibility. After giving the meaning that we have studied yesterday, you can get the meaning from the toolkit as well. It is not compulsory that you have to learn this meaning only. Whatever that is given in the toolkit that you learned yesterday, you can write that meaning as well. And then you have to write the name of the concept. Now, here, what advice you will give him regarding keeping the environment free from pollution? Means we have to give the advice. Let's see to whom and about which topic we have to give the advice. One of your friend Rajan runs a factory in the city. His factory is causing air, water and noise pollution. What advice you will give him regarding keeping the environment free? So you can just give him the solution. If you remember yesterday, we have done the solution to the problems. The factories which are emitting smoke, water pollution, or creating any noise pollution, what are the steps or solution should be taken to that. So you have to advise all those measures which can prevent the environment by polluting the air, water, or noise. Second question. In the context of this statement, throw the light on the danger to environment pollution likely to be caused business. So we have to throw a light on the danger to environment. Let's what is given in the text. Environment protection means keeping the environment free from air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Every creature living on the earth needs clean environment. Therefore, the environment protection is very important. In the context of this statement, throw the light on the danger of the environment pollution. In the beginning, it is given over here that what is the meaning of the environment protection? It means to protect it from all type of pollutions, and every creature require the clean environment. And now environment protection is very important. Now in this context, means the importance of environment protection is to be explained in this answer. What is to be explained? We have to explain the importance of, you may mark in your books as well, that what is to be done here in this question. You have to write the importance of business environment. So in this question you have to write the importance. No, don't be the stereotype. It is not compulsory that whatever the answer is written over here, you have to write that. You can draw your answers in better way or the best way that you want. Moreover, you can take the help of this as well, or you may find maintain it in the points. You want to develop the points, you want to develop the para with the heading, whatever you want to, you have to show your skills. Let's see how the thoughts or higher order thinking skills are to be dealt. If a business fulfill its social responsibility today, its own interests get protected in the long run. How? Now you have to enhance your thinking skills and give the answer. You have to think over it, whatever you have studied in the chapter, and on the basis of that concept, you have to answer. When business is a part of society, we know very well, and all the people who are attached to the business are the part of the society. Business has to be in society, survive in society, grow in society. So without business and these interested parties, a business cannot be imagined. So what to do in that case? It is a social responsibility of a business. If taken care of the present, ensure the success of the organization in the future as well. So it is possible that in the beginning an organization may have to bear the financial burden, but resulting from its social responsibility, but the future of the business organization will become secure. So in this way, you have to draw your answer on the basis of your high order thinking skill. Second, a company should ensure the proper and correct dividend, and the payment of dividend should be made in time. Which class of society does the statement refer so far the social responsibility business is concerned? So we have to identify to which class of the society it refers. It is referring towards the shareholder. Identify the concept which consider what is right, what is wrong, or which is concerned with distinguish between the right and wrong. These are ethics, nothing else. Ethics only. Answer is ethics. In this way, you have to do these 3-mark question, and let's do evaluation based question or value based question. These are the general manager of the Saraswati Limited, Mr. Shri Vastav, in fulfilling his social obligation towards the government, is taking a special interest. So I also mistaken here. Have you noted down what mistake I have done? I start reading the statement from the beginning. No, you will start from the Last line. So what is to be done? How the statement is to be started, and why I am doing this again and again, because I want to highlight you people, don't do this mistake in your paper, because now I am just doing it and I am well aware that I am doing the chapter of the social responsibility. So if I start it from the beginning, it does not hardly matters, because whatever I'm studying here, over here, or reading over here, and it is very easy to identify the concept is related to the chapter, that is social responsibility of accounting. But when in the paper the large number of questions are there, and we have to identify that from which chapter or from which topic the question is to be there, in that case it is very much compulsory to read the last line, that what is to be identified or what is to be explained in the chapter, and after that we have to read the summary or the text, whatever it is given to us. So let's see how the question is to be read here. That is your value based question. State of which social values. It means it is immediately struck in your mind that in this question, we have to taken care of social values. If the is the company showing its awareness, write about any 3 points. So the General Manager of Saraswati Limited, Mr. Srivastava, in fulfilling his social obligation towards the government, is making a special interest. So we have to state the social values over here. What can the social values be? Observing the government rules, showing the honesty, helping in economic growth. In this way, we have to do the value-based question. Let's discuss the case study. See, it is a long question of a case study. Scrolling once again, as you will be able to see the statement. Now, I'll not do the mistake, and I just making you aware again how to read it. Read the last lines. A, what is to be identified? Quoting relevant lines from the paragraph, identify towards which part is the social responsibility being discharged. C, how wonderful is it? If you read the last line of this para in your exam, suppose you find this question in your examination, and you find this last line over there, what to do in that case? When you read this point A, by reading this point A, it is very much clarified by you, and mentally notes will be started preparing that I have to think about the social responsibility of the business. I have to think, I have to focus on the concept of this chapter only, nothing else. So while reading the case study, the concept will revolve in your mind, that will be related to the social responsibility of business. And we also have to identify the value. Okay, let's see what is given over here in the case. It is given Sonam Rajput is the resident of a small village in Uttar Pradesh. She has completed her MBA studies. Since she lives in a village, she has seen the problems of villagers from the close quarters. Most of the people of her village are unemployed. Some people grow fruits at very small scale. Selling the fruits in small quantities has been a big problem for them. They had to go to the city to sell their fruits. There, the buyer exploited them by buying their fruits at a very low price. Sonam discussed this problem with some of her class fellows to find out solution. All of them decide to jointly set up a juice factory in the village to extract juice from the fruits. This would give employment to the people, and they would get rid of exploitation by buyer. At last, the factory by name of the Friends Juice Manufacturer was set up. The people of Sonam's own village and of Sonam's own village and from the surroundings area began to come and sell their fruits. All of them have a sigh of relief. Not only this, but about 200 people also got employment. In no limit time, their googly brand juice become popular. All the workers of the factory were very happy because besides being paid reasonable remuneration, and they were also consulted when main decisions were taken. Sonam and her friends took an oath and at a no cost they would ever resort to adulteration in their juice. In fact, their objective was to provide the people with a nutritious drink. One day, one of their friends came to the factory and told the way of tax evasion. They paid no attention to whatever he said. Gradually, their business is growing up. Now, all the partners have begun to earn sufficient profits in their investment. In the whole reason, the decision of Sonam and her friends were enthusiastically welcomed. So, again, I will read what is to identify. I have to quote the lines in the paragraph which identify the social responsibility is to be discharged by the business. So the line that is not only this, also the people get the employment, it is towards public in general interest. The line, all the workers of the factory, this line that started from these words and ending with the consulted with main decisions were taken, it is towards employees. Sonam and her friend, the line started with this and ended with adulteration of their juice, it is towards consumer. One day, one of their friend, and it is tax evasion, it is related to government. Now all the partners beginning this point and profit on their investment ended with these words, it is towards honors. See the wonderful thing that you find in the examination, if you identify these 5 points correctly, then surely you will get the 5 marks here. 1 mark for each statement. None of the marks will be deducted. And it is very easy. What to do? You have to study the case study thoroughly and you have to identify the lines which are conveying that how it is related to the various parties of the business. And if I talk about the value being conveyed here, it is going for the social concern, for the social explanation. So in this way, we have to do the case study. That's all for the day that I want to make you learn. And if you have any doubt, any query, then you can ask. So I request sir to allow the students to unmute themselves as